So now we're done with layering. We will discuss now the layout. So to do that, just click this layout tab. So here, the first thing you will see is this MView. So itong MView na to, MView stands for model view. So kumbaga parang since nasa layout ka, you need to see your model space. So for now, buburahin muna natin siya. So sa layout, dito ako talaga nagle-layout. Kumbaga dito ako nalagay yung dimensions and text. At saka ginagawa ko na rin dito yung title block ko. So to do that, type REC for rectangle. So since ang gagamitin natin is A3 size, so at naka-millimeter na units tayo, ang sukat dapat ng rectangle natin is in millimeters. So if your unit is in inches, you use inches. So A3 is 420 by 297. There. So this is my title block. So I have to offset lang. Later on, I will teach you the offset and creating drawing or shapes. So I offset this to 10. So for example, this is my title block. So I will put a layer here, which is, I will create a new layer. I will name it as title block. So I don't need to change the color. So what I will do is off the plot. Okay. So I will select this and change this to title block. So kaya ako ginawa yun is once na nag-print ako, hindi makikita itong linya na itong nasa labas. Ang makikita lang is itong nasa loob. Okay. So to view your drawings, you have to type MV or MView and press enter. So as discussed kanina, dito mo makikita yung mismong model view mo. No? So lalabas yan yung mismong pinaka-plano. So sa model view, pwede mo siyang i-scale. Usually dito nagkaka-problema yung iba kasi yung iba nagdo-draw ay nag-layout or nag-i-scale mismo doon sa model drawing, which is wrong. Dapat dito ka sa layout nag-i-scale. So to scale your drawing, dito sa baba, nakikita nyo itong numbers na to. Ito yung scale, ito yung current scale niya. So what you have to do is to click this and choose the scale that you want. So for example, I want this to 1:100, so I have to click this. So masyado siyang maliit for my paper size. So I have to change the scale to 1:50. So masyadong maliit pa rin. I'll try to change this to 1:20. So pag ganito, masyado nang malaki yung drawing mo. So what you have to do, kung wala kang mapili dito sa mga scale na to, you can do custom scale. So once you click it, lalabas tong dialog box. So you have to click add. Then name your scale. For example, I want this to 1:25. That is the name of my scale. Then the paper units, so as is 1, and the drawing units, I will change this to 25. Meaning, for each 1 paper units, you have 25 drawing units. Or for example, every 1 meter, you have 25 meters. So, click OK. So, we will try the layer or the scale that we create. So, lalabas siya dito. So, that is scale 1:25. So you have to extend your end view. So you have to select the grip, then stretch it. Next is, pwede ka na ditong gumawa ng iba pang shape ng MV mo. So before that, you have to lock this MV. To do that, kung kita niyo itong lock icon, you have to click this, magla-lock siya. Okay? So hindi mo magagalaw yung drawing mo. So pag in-unlock ko siya, once na pumasok ko, para makapasok ka dun sa model view, you have to double click this. So makakapasok ka. So makaka-zoom in, zoom out ka. Okay? So what you have to do is to rescale it. Balik mo siya to 1:25. Then to make it inactive, click mo lang yung outside no MV. Then lock it. Now you can create different shapes for MV. To do that, for example, I want it to be a circle. So I'll create a circle. And then I have to click or type MView or MV, press enter. There are options here on the command window. So we will be asked if you want to on or off, fit, shade plot, lock, object, polygonal, restore, layer, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is to click O or click this one. So have to type O, then click this circle, and there is your M view. So you can zoom in, zoom out this one, and you can also rescale it. So 1:20 is too big. Maybe it's 1:50. Yeah. So aside from circles, you can also do polygons. So you type POL, and create your. You will be asked to how many sides do you want. So I will type 6. Then click the center. You will be asked if it's inscribe or circumscribe. So I have to click inscribe. Later on, we will discuss these shapes. So for now, we'll be focusing on the layout. So to do that, same process with the circle. Type MV, press enter, type O for the object that you want to make it as your MV, press enter. Then click the polygon. So there, it will become your MV. And we will change the scale to 1:50. There. So that's it for the layout. Next, we will be discussing the text. So to create a text, you should first set up your text style. So to do that, first option is to go to Annotate tab and click this small icon or this small arrow. Or you can type the shortcut command, which is ST for text style. So in this dialog box, you will see the styles that are in present, then the font style, and the size. So to create a new text style, so click new. Then you will be asked for the name of the text style. So for example, I will write, or I will name it as room. So for this room, we will now change the font name. So there are other font names here, so I will stick to Arial. Then font style, if you want it bold, italic, or regular. So I'll keep it regular. In annotative, if you check this, it means that once you put your text on a model, then you scale it on your layout, mag-i-scale yung size no text mo. So you have to put first the height. So for example, I want it in 3 mm, 3 millimeters. at chinek ko to at nilagay ko siya dun sa model drawing at nag-scale ako sa layout, yung 3 meters na, ay 3 millimeters na to, susunod siya dun sa scale nung nilagay mo sa layout. So, this one, I'll keep it 0 lang. Why? For me to change the size of the room or the text mismo. Mag-change ko siya. Kasi once na nilagay mo na dito na 3, hindi mo na mag-change or may edit yung text height ng text mo. Then, I don't check this kasi naglalagay ako ng text sa layout and not in the drawing model. I'll do that kasi once na yung text mo is nasa model, once na nagpunta ka ng layout, mahirap na siyang baguhin. Or if may gagawin akong details dun sa drawing, lalabas yung text ko dun sa mismong layout. So, i-off ko pa siya. So, unlike na sa layout ako, ika-copy-copy ko na lang yung text ko. So, yung nasa drawing mo or nasa model ko, puro drawings lang talaga. Then, you can create new again for dimension. Press OK. So, sa dimension, I'll do 3 millimeters of text height. And I click apply. So now, yung room, ang isa-set natin na text style natin. So then we will close it. Now, there are two types of text, which is the multi-line text and the single-line text. Kapag kay single-line text, continuous yung text mo. Mapupunta lang siya sa mapupunta lang ang text dun sa baba once na nag-press ka ng enter. Pero kapag hindi mo pinress yung enter, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Wala siyang limit. Kay multi-line text, ito naman, gagawa ka ng dialog box or text box. Doon lang siya mismo magsusulat. So for example, we will list first the single text. So how will you do that is first, you can click this or you can do the shortcut command which is TEXT and press enter. So you will be asked to specify the first point. So here, then the height, since naka-0 yung text style natin sa room, pwede na natin gamitin itong 2.5 or pwede natin taasan pa. So here, gagawin natin siyang 3. And press enter and rotation 0 lang. So press enter. Now, pwede ka na mag-type dito. So lalagyan natin siya ng label. So first is restroom. Then click mo lang sa labas para mag-out ka dun sa text. Then escape. So i-move natin siya. To move the text, you have to type M and press enter. So masyadong maliit. So click natin siya. Dun sa quick properties, pwede mo na siyang i-edit. So baguhin natin yung height. Gawin natin siyang 5. So medyo sakto na siya. And we will change the layer to text. So we can copy the text by typing CO and press enter. And there. So how to edit the text? You can double click this one or you can use the quick properties. So we will change this to payment booth. So tuloy-tuloy lang pag sa single line text. So para mapunta sa baba si booth, you have to press enter. Balik tayo. you can change it na pala. Sorry. So, kung gusto mong mapunta siya sa baba, you will use multi-line text. So, how you will do that? Empty and press enter. So, you will specify the first corner and the opposite corner. So, itong box na to, yan lang yung limit mo text mo. So, payment booth. So, you have to click outside. Then we will change the text height to 5. So, yan. Napunta siya doon sa baba kasi itong grip na to, hanggang dyan lang mismo yung limit ng text mo. So, we can erase this. Change the layer to text. Yeah. So, this is the hallway. So, I have to copy this. CO, press enter, then click the text that you want to copy, enter. Yeah. So, we will type hallway. I always use the multi-line text since mas madali siya compare kay single line. Kasi kay single line, as mentioned, tuloy-tuloy lang yung text mo. So, this will be the entrance. This is the exit. Ayan. Now, kung gusto mo na pumantay si hallway dito kay restroom, what you have to do is text align. Okay. Press enter. So, select objects to align. So, ito yung select ko para ma-align yung dalawa. Enter. Select text object to align to. So, kung ano yung magiging reference mo ng alignment niya. So, i-click ko si restroom. So, ang ma-align is si hallway. So, click natin si orthographic para diretso siya. Yan. So, again, to align your text, type text align. Text align. So, you will be asked to select the objects to align. So, click mo muna si hallway tsaka si restroom. Then, enter. Sa ultin natin. So, text align. Enter. Select the two text that you wanted to align. Press enter. Select text object to align to. So, your reference text where the other text will be aligned. So, text, click the restroom and the hallway will be aligned. So, click F8 or press F8 to on your orthographic. Okay. So, diretso na siya. So, yun lang naman regarding about text.